Before we start learning how to use the AI assistant, we first need to understand what it is, where to find it, and what features it includes. There are two different ways to access the AI assistant, and depending on which option you choose, you'll see different tools. The first way is through the AI Assistant tab on the trigger panel. When you select that tab, you'll see a small double window icon. That icon tells you the AI Assistant can be undocked and moved anywhere you want, on top of your slide workspace or even onto a second monitor. One thing to remember, you're only undocking the tab that's currently visible, so if you have the slide tab selected and undock it, only the slide tab detaches. The AI Assistant stays docked on the right side of the screen until you specifically select its tab and undock that one. When you open the AI Assistant from the trigger panel, you'll see 6 prompt categories: Generate image, generate quiz, generate question, generate summary, generate text-to-speech, and generate sound effect. You'll also find these same AI prompts on the Home tab, though they're labeled a little differently. We'll talk about those differences later in the series and how each option can support your workflow. For now, all you need to know is that the Home tab includes 7 AI options: Insert text, edit text, insert image, insert audio, quiz, question, and summary.